All right, good morning, everyone. We'll have our box break number 15, Team Random. This is the 15-16 5-box mixer. Um, on this break, we will have one 15-16 Block Gold, 15-16 Select Hobby, 15-16 Absolute, 15-16 Prism Jumbo, and 15-16 Excalibur. All right, so we have the following participants. So we have Mike, Edgar, Randy, Moki, Alvin, Edgar, John Alfred, Victor, Eisen, Ryle, Victor, Ace, Martin, Ryan Paul, Jonathan, Emerson, John Alfred, Ryan Reyes, Edgar, Stanley, Nino, Ace, Oliver, Edgar, Stanley, Vincent, Frederick, Chris, and Ryle. All right, so current time is 11:05 a.m. Um, so we'll have our team, our random of the names first. I have here the list of names from top. So we have Mike up to Ryle. Okay, good luck, everyone. So we'll first have the names random. We'll do the two dice roll to determine the number of turns. So for the names, we'll randomize it by 6 times. We have Mike on top, Ryle at the bottom. Good luck, everyone. One, two, three. Let me just. There you go. That's 3 times. 4, 5. So after 5 turns, we have Edgar on top and Ryle at the bottom. Last one. Good luck. So after 6 times, we have Nino on top, Mike at the bottom. Just paste it here. Alright, and then the teams will use 2 dice roller again 3 times. Least randomizer. So of course we have Atlanta on top, Washington at the bottom. Atlanta on top, Washington at the bottom. 3 turns, good luck, everyone. 1, 2. So after 2 turns, Utah on top, Sacramento at the bottom. Last one, good luck. We have Memphis on top, Timberwolves at the bottom. Alright, so for your teams, Nino will have Grizzlies, Edgar Magic, Victor Dallas, John Alfred Denver, Edgar Charlotte, Edgar Sacramento, Ace Portland, Victor Philadelphia, Alvin Golden State, Moki Jazz, Eisen Knicks, Vincent Hawks, Stanley Spurs, Ryan Reyes Thunder, John Bulls, Frederick Pistons, Ryle Celtics, Jonathan Phoenix, Chris Lakers, Oliver Bucks, Edgar Cavs, Emerson Wizards, Ryan Paul Nets, Edgar Rockets, Martin Pelicans, Ryle Clippers, Ace Raptors, Stanley Miami Heat, Randy Pacers, and lastly Mike Rodriguez Minnesota Timberwolves. All right. So we'll have our break at 8 p.m. tonight. So see you there. Good luck.